we're on! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We are on the side. We are on the side of a freaking mountain.
I'll get that picture if I can.
This is not. I mean, this is like unbelievable. Well,
Hey,
hey, David.
Can you hug the rock and I'll try to get a picture?
Sure enough.
Hey,
Yeah.
can you do that arm thing again? Arm out. Get your elbow. Can you do a display of bravery again?
Whatever
Scroll
you do,
yourself
don't
out.
drop it. Oh my gosh. Woo! That's awesome. We're the flying Melindas. Actually, we're not flying.
Is it
There's
Melindas
going to
or
be no
Wallendas?
flying, huh?
Melinda's or Wallendas?
Melindas. I said Melindas.
This is so awesome having the yellow today.
I know. I love the colors.
Hey!
Woohoo! Awesome!
Hey, Andy.
Well, I'm taken, and so is he.
I'm going to make some...
Dang it, Andy. You're supposed to be the leader. Supposed to be having all the gear. Come on now. Yeah, we just came across that. That's what we did. Mother of all things that are good and holy. My mama would have a fit.
Oh, she would have.
Mary Jo would be like,
You have
Karen.
to have some discretion on who sees this.
Yeah, exactly. Don't let the children watch it. Whatever you do. Don't let the parents.
That's the parents.
Yeah, the parents.
Kids go,
Oh, I want to do this. That's so cool.
Take me.
This is freaking awesome. That's what they say.
my 21-year-old did this last year, and he said he had his Jesus moment at one time.
Oh, did he really?
Well,
Well,
about there, right?
I think
hey.
it was at the start, so well, I don't know how it's going to be.
Good job.
Something just fell down.
Well, as long as it wasn't one of us.
Some kind of small couple. Fell right in front of me.
I'm gonna have
I
to.
wish I could give you my camera. I just don't know.
I know.
And
It's heavy. It's big. It's big and heavy.
I think I have it insured.
I think I'm filming.
And I have to see a wedding, I suppose.
I think I am.
Oh, I think I'm breathing easier than first.
Yeah.
You already
Well, you know, being first, Chuck isn't all it, you know, it's not all it's cracked up to be. You had to pick your
Let's
route.
say it's maybe it's like compared to first on the roller coaster.
Yes, yes.
The first test ride on the
Uh-huh.
roller coaster.
Yeah, that too.
Get that
Hey,
torture
this
factor
is much better than a screen machine. Well, Chuck, the reason why we didn't, I've skydived before, so heights don't really bother
I've
me.
done that a couple times, but that was when I was in college.
Oh, this was about.
Well, I was a springboard diver, so
Oh, well,
I don't
you.
have every excuse in the world.
Yeah, you don't have a fear of heights,
Hey,
obviously.
what do you think Ashley would do on this?
Ashley would be. He'd be making little browns,
Making girly sounds?
making girly sounds, and probably making little
This is
little
something
pebbles.
This is something definitely they would have to do.
the turtle would be sticking out. Woohoo! Are you okay? Are you getting a photo? Yeah, you might want to get, once you get up on this ledge, you'll be fine. Look at the little cars all the way down there.
You're just accentuating the world as if it weren't enough.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently this isn't enough for her.
They look like little ants. Yeah. Put your hands in the air. No, don't.
Hands in the air, say
No. All right. This is so. Yeah, please. You're strapped in, aren't you, Catherine?
This is where you may get a little stretchy, honey.
Okay.
Straighten up your carabiner. Make it look like another 2 inch. There you go.
What if I stay up?
You can.
Okay, Catherine, would you take one up this way? Or is he taking one of you?
Because I want to film everybody.
Oh, okay.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, we could do that.
Think you're going to have enough height?
I think so. Yep, I think I'm going to be okay.
Got it? There you go. Sliding.
Yeah.
Good deal. I just want to make sure you have enough height.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ah! Hey, here's one for you. Maybe sometimes fear is good. I don't know.
Do it again. Do what?
No, do both legs. Do both legs. Yeah, right. Not quite. Okay, let's see here. This is where it's a little tricky. Alright, got that. That one's in. And this one. Yeah, you know, I'm doing better without gloves, actually. I'm so glad it wasn't cold. I didn't have a lot of dexterity.